In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or deactivate someone in Asana from a workspace, team, or project. First, open Asana and head to the exact place where the change needs to happen. The workspace, the specific team, or the individual project. This matters because the scope you choose determines how broad the removal will be. If you only need to limit access to one project, open that project. If the person shouldn't be part of a team or the entire workspace, navigate there instead. Use the left sidebar to select your workspace and team, or click directly into the project you're managing. Next, go to the members or admin settings area. In a project, you'll typically find a share or members button near the top, which opens the list of people with access. In a team view, look for a members tab or a team settings option. If you're managing access at the workspace or organization level and you're an admin, you may see an admin or admin console area that lists all members. If you don't see these options, you might need elevated permissions from an admin or project owner. Now locate the person you want to remove. Scroll through the member list or use any available search field to filter by their profile. Double check that you've selected the correct person, especially if there are similar names, to avoid disrupting the wrong user's access. Open the options beside their name. This is usually represented by 3 dots or a small drop-down arrow next to the profile entry. Clicking this reveals management actions tied specifically to that person's access in this context. From the options shown, choose Remove, Deactivate, or Remove from Project, depending on what appears and what you need. Remove from Project takes them out of just that project while leaving them in the team or workspace. Remove at the team or workspace level revokes broader access. Deactivate is typically used at the organization level to disable the account while preserving all their historical work and records. Pick the option that matches the scope you identified at the start. Finally, confirm the removal and check that they no longer have access. Approve any confirmation prompt, review the summary so you understand the impact, and proceed. Afterward, verify by ensuring their name no longer appears in the members list, or that it shows as deactivated where applicable. You can refresh the page to see the change reflected. This quick check helps ensure the right level of access has been removed and that your project or workspace permissions are up to date.